Okay, this here is everybody's dream boat. You probably dreamed about it, but in reality, I'm not sure. But it would really be fun, maybe over in Morro Bay in the harbor there, just going around. 05 is not correct. It was actually paid up to 2019, so there's nothing really due on it. So when you buy it, you're all good on that. Santa Cruz. Anyway, motor, we don't know the size. We've looked it all over. We can't figure out the size, but it sure is a cute sucker, isn't it? Look at that nice chrome on there. So we don't know if it runs or not. You'll have to figure that out on your own. It's got a nice little cabin in there. Look at the cabin. Did you show them the cabin?
I did.
Your own TV, bed. Looks like some type of fish finder up there. I can't climb in this one. This one's, I just can't do it. There's no, I'd have to get a step ladder. But we thought we'd do a nice little video. Look at these seats. Are those cool or what? Look at that. Oh, it's got, wait, it's got some operating manuals here. Maybe the size of the motors in here. Nope. Not in that one. Nope. No, these are not operating motors. We'll leave those right in the boat for you. Over here where nobody's fixing. So that's it. It's ready to go. Tires appear to be good. It's going to take us 1 7/8 inch ball. Coming to tow it home at the 1 7/8. Okay? And probably need a little bit of wood oil to bring it back to its just look premium again. So that's about it on this boat. It's all wood. I think that's it.
All right.